I want to give you some information about your fourth homework. In this homework, I am giving you these two drawings, a top view and the front view, and you can see the dimensions. They are all in millimeters. I want you to use an A4 drawing paper, create the usual header, and redraw this top view and the front view. Just you need to copy it exactly like this. And I want you to find out the left side view and draw it here on this area of the paper. And this is the all information that I will give you. I want you to find out how you can do it by yourself. And once you finish your drawing, I want you to do the coloring, painting by using colored pencils this time. And in the second step, you need to have another A4 drawing paper. This time, I want you to do the isometric projection of this object, again, by using your tools, and you need to color it with your colored pencils. A two-step homework. And I'm going to give you some tips so that you will be able to discover the method, a way to find out this information about this object. First, let's think about it. In order to create the left side view, this is how I am doing in the normal circumstances. I am transferring the levels. I am transferring some information, some interval and width from the top view so that that left view will appear. I won't be measuring anything. So just imagine yourself that this is you. You are standing right here looking at this direction to this object, and try to imagine it in 3D so that you will be able to understand all these surfaces, and you are going to use all the information here right in front of you. Let's think that if there is this line here, is this just a line or is it a surface? In the upper view, if you are looking at a line here, is it just a line or is it a surface? It is probably a surface. The upper edge of a profile plane, which is parallel to profile projection plane and perpendicular to vertical and horizontal projection planes. So if I just transfer it to this front view, I will be looking at another line here. So this is true. It is true that this is actually a profile projection plane, vertical, perpendicular to horizontal and vertical projection planes, and parallel to profile projection plane, right? It's not just a line, it's a profile plane here, as you can see. So let's think about it. How am I going to draw the left side view of this profile plane? This is what I need to do. I need to transfer the levels from the front view, and I need to transfer the corner here and another corner here, so that I will be looking at a rectangle. So this is the left side view of this surface, right? If I keep going like this, try to understand all the surfaces, all the lines, it'll be easier for me to discover the left side view. So this is what I have in hand. Let's look at this inclined line here. Is it just a line? And if I carry it backwards to the top view, this is what I will be looking at. So it's a surface. And when I look from the above, I am looking at the surface, but if I look from the front, I will be looking at a line. So what kind of a plane is this? Which type of the planes creates this projections, these projections? So it's a frontal projecting plane, right? If I look from the above, I will be looking at a rectangle. If I stand in front of the system, then I will be seeing a line here. So a line, a plane, this is what I need to do. I need to transfer this level here, these two edges here. So this is what appears in front of me. It's the left side of what? And I want you to keep going like this, step by step. We did this surface, we did this surface. So there are some like 2 or 3 more surfaces left. If you keep going like this, you will be able to create the left side view and understand this object in its 3-dimensional form. And it will be easier for you. I want you to just think about it. I know it's hard, but this is what I want you to do. Just push your limits a little bit, and I want you to use all these information, all these previous information, and also you will find some more tips here with these gaps. If you are careful enough, you will be understanding what they mean, what they represent, and you will be creating all these images, projections easily. And once you finish your drawing, and please be careful about the header, the line weights, the letters, letterings, and your coloring, obviously. And for the isometric projection, I want to see all the steps in that order. You will be using your coloring pencils and be careful about your strokes here. As you can remember from our previous lecture, either you are using a colored pencil or a marker or watercolor brushes, you will be creating strokes, and you need them in an order. You can go with inclined hatches, or you can try to create just one shade without any strokes. And whatever you do, you want your lines to be visible enough. Please do not block them with your painting. Your lines should be visible once you finished the painting.